Hello there, hope everyone's well. Today I have been back down to the Bramley-moore dock site for the Everton new stadium build to give an update on what's going on and where they're up to. If you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel. You can leave a comment in the comment section below and like and share the video with your family and friends as well. Also, you can follow us on Instagram. It is at thestadium00. Right, let's get into this. So the last update we concentrated on the north and the east side of the stadium. So today we're going to be taking a closer look at the south and west stand. Getting right up above the Mersey to have a good look over the other side. We don't usually do this, so I thought it might be a nice change to do that. I'm just going to address a couple of comments that have been left on a couple of previous videos. Let's just make one thing clear. I just come down here to visually show you where the stadium is up to. I am learning as I go with different things, pieces of equipment are, what type of materials are being added to the site and stuff like that. So I've always said this, I'm no sort of expert. I am literally just a guy with a drone who, comes down here hopefully 2 to 3 times a week, ideally, and basically just showing you where it's up to. So just to clear that up, I'm not going to mention the game on Saturday. It's gone. It is what it is. I wasn't a happy bunny on Saturday afternoon, put it that way. Wasn't the result. It was more the manner of the way the game went and a certain man wearing a black suit who was officiating the game. Right, so let's move on. I'm sure you know this, they've fitted seats into the stadium now. Now, if you haven't seen it, I did put a short up last week of them actually fitting seats in. I will link the video in the description of this update, so you can see that for yourself if you haven't watched it. It's actually a close-up shot of them screwing the seats in, delivering them into the stadium, etc. So I will link that in to the description of this video, so make sure you check that out. So we're just heading across towards the Mersey side of the ground, and we're going to see what's going on. Something I've never done before as well, which is something we're going to take a look at, is where some of the materials are being kept. I think. I'm sure someone will tell me if I'm wrong. So we're going to take a look at that. These stairs are still being constructed at the moment. Obviously, they've still got a bit of a way to go. But it was, again, it's all go on this particular site. So we're going to take a look at that. And you may notice I zoom in and out of the picture now and again. I'm just seeing where the actual drone is, the actual position of the drone. Make sure I'm not getting too close, which obviously I never do. So see, we are way out. But yeah, it is starting to look really good. Let me know in the comments, because I'm actually it's the 24th of October today. This is the day we filmed this footage as well. I know I keep saying we, but it's only me that goes. But it's me and my drone. So I'm actually working tonight in town. When I finish, I might go and try and get a nighttime video of it and just show you what it looks like when it's in the night. If anyone would like me to do that, just let me know in the comment section below. Right, so this is the part I was talking about here. I think this is some of the materials that are being used on the site, and this is where they are being stored. So, just so you know, we're gonna, just at the end of this video, just at the end of this video, we are gonna take a quick look at the entrance side, because the glasswork's looking a lot more prominent now. So we are gonna take a little look at that. So on Sunday of this week, weather dependent I might add, I'm going to come down and get a proper full fly round. It'll be like a full 15-minute video. Obviously no one's on site on a Sunday, so I can get a lot closer and get into the nitty-gritty of it all. So there's something to look forward to. So they were doing some work on this side in these cherry pickers. The panels or the glass, any glass, any some sort of reflect, any panels, I think they're glass, aren't they? So they were working towards them. And there's still a few to be fitted as well. So they started covering up. This is going to be just on the left. Sorry, it's gone. But I'm just going to say then on the left there, the hospitality bar that's on the southwest corner, just there in the bottom left of your screen now. They've started covering that glass up. So maybe that's going to be one of them things where you can't see out, but you can't see in, but you can see out type of jobs. But it was just glass, wasn't it? So I can only assume that's what it will be. But now you're looking at it, seen on the Everton social media, the roof structure, the actual structure of the roof, nothing else, is now in place. It's mad to think a year ago. It was obviously a year's a long time, but it's just mad to think a year ago it was nowhere near like it is today. I was looking back at my first ever drone video we done. I think it was like August last year or something, and it's just crazy. How far it's come, and it's still got a year to go. So as you can see, look, that glass entrance is looking a lot more prominent. So we will give you a full fly round on Sunday of this week. It might not get put up till Monday, it depends what time I can get down there on Sunday. But yeah, that is how it is looking at the moment. Take care of yourselves, and we will see you very soon.